Pêl allan at Marcus Day. Day yn torri tu fewn, yn ffigio. Cyfle am Ergyd. Ffigio eto, rwan ta yr Ergyd. O, mae wedi slifio fewn ac mae'r Barri ar y blaen. Ond mae'r lliman wedi godi fan hyn. Oedd na gam sefyll. Clayton Green o bosib. Ond oedd Green yn amharu ar y chwarae, dyna'r cwestiwn. Dihangfa i'r Derwyddon. Day, y gig gornel to posti gosak. McLagan ar peniad arbediad da gen Jones. Craig Harrison rheolwr ceic honna yma. Y Derwyddon a'r Barri ydy'w gwrthwynebu'r nesa nhw. Day, croesiad isel. Allan â hi, dim ond at George. George i fewn at Cain McLagan. McLagan ar Ergyd. Allan o'n unlle. Ergyd isel nerthol. Ond Michael Jones yn adweithio'n sydyn arbediad gwych gar y golwr. Ar y Davies, ar bas Letraws. Peniad at Sainty y flic ymlaen, ac ymlaen eto gan McLagan, a Rhys Abruzesi yn rhwydo, ac mae'r Barri ar y blaen wedi 67 munud. Am gol bwysig yn y frwydr i osgoi'r cwymp. 7 gêm gyngrair heb ennill, ac mae'r dreigiau ar y blaen. Allan nhw ddal i tir rwan. Rhys Kavanagh. Llwyth o grysau coch yn ei amgylchynu fo, mae'n ryddhau. Marcus Day, Day, mae o'n heiddi gol heddiw, hwnna'n taro pen Jones, yna'n taro'r trawst, a Kavanagh yn methu cyfeirio'r peniad i gefn y rhwyd. Marcus Day di bod mor fywiog, ond dim lwc y tro yma.
What I'm pleased about today is that we've created lots of chances in the game, and I think we've run out deserved winners. I don't think our keepers had much to do. I'll praise Druids to the hilt in terms of their honesty and their work ethic, and at times their quality made for a very entertaining game, I think. But we've hit the bar a couple of times and missed some pretty good chances there that we should be taking. But today was about the 3 points, and delighted to get 3 points and delighted to get a clean sheet.
I was a little bit disappointed we didn't get something out of the game. I thought we gave a real good show of ourselves, especially with a squad an average age of 19.2. I was being told by our coaches today, we gave them a game, and we was always in the game, and we actually took the game to them in the last 10 minutes or so, which I'm really pleased with. And I'm chuffed a bit because a lot of the younger players stepped up today, and it just shows how good the future could be and will be.
Met Tuesday, we got first a home here, so we win that, and yeah, we're back in the mix. The fight continues.